Hello guys, welcome to Sun Digitals. My name is Paul. Today I'm going to show you how to use the lasso tool, and I'm going to show you how to use the lasso tool, the polygonal lasso tool, the magnetic lasso tool. So I'm going to show you how you can use the lasso tool to delete an object, to remove background and change color of an object or a t-shirt or anything. But before we begin, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also give it a thumbs up. You can also share it and like. So let's begin. If you want to access the lasso tool, you'll come here. It even shows you how you can use it. Right click here, it will give me this option. I'll start with the lasso tool itself, then I'll go to the polygon lasso tool. Then let's start with this. I just click it here, then I'll just come and drag it over as I draw over an object. I'm going to show you how you're going to, this one I'm going to show you how you're going to delete this object. After you have completed a whole circle and you join them, you just press delete, and then it will give you this dialog box, and then the object will be gone. Then after a few seconds, you see your object will have been gone. Then you just press Ctrl D, then it will remove that shimmering. This lower aspect you can remove by going. The next thing you can do, you can use the clone tool to remove this. So you just come to the clone tool here, then you click Alt to select sample area, then you just click Alt to select a sample area, then you come and click on the object, then it will remove the remaining parts like that. Yeah, that's how to delete an object using the lasso tool. The next thing, I'm going to show you how to use the polygon tool. So I'll just right click here and come to the polygon tool. Then it works with rectangles and straight objects. So I'll just click the first instance, then I'll just drag like this, then drag like this, then I'll 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 just come here and join. You see this circle here, join like that. Now I'm going to change the color of this object. That's what I'm going to do. The next thing I'm going to do, I'll come here, I'll come under this icon here, click it, then I'll come to hue and saturation. It will give me this. Then I can play around with this. You see the color is changing. You can easily change the color like so. You can easily change the color like so. Red, green, just going like that. The next thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to use the magnetic lasso. So I'll go to the next object. I'm going to use the magnetic lasso to remove the background of an object. So the first thing is just like the other lasso tools. I just click the first, then I'll just drag, trace this object like so, like so, like so, like so, like so, like so. Then I zoom, Ctrl plus to zoom so that I can see the hair very well. Maybe I come back like so, like so, so. Maybe I come here like so, just like that. You'll press backspace. If you want to go back, you press backspace as you move the mouse. So I just come like so, like so, like so. You just trace. The goodness with magnetic tool, it sticks on the edges of an object, so it is easy to. It just sticks on the edges of an. If you want to come back, press backspace as you pull the mouse back like so, like so. Then I'll just come and hover over this hair like so. The goodness is sticking on the edges of the objects, just like that, just like that, just like that, just like that. If you want to go back, you press backspace as you move the mouse backward, just like that, just like that. Okay, just like that. You can even zoom out, Control minus, so that you see the whole object. You can come, then go back by pressing backspace as you move the mouse backward, just like that, just like that, just like that, that, like this, that, like that. Then you see this circle here, it means you want to join. Then I just click like that. Then I'll just zoom out. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and press select and mask. Press select and mask, then boom, the background is gone. Then you will just come here and make sure you tick this one here, and also you can play around with this, especially with the hair feather, so that it doesn't become so sharp. Then I just press OK. Then there we are, the background is gone. If you want to remove this other aspect, you now come again in the lasso tool, then you just select again using like so, like so, like so, like so, like so. Then you join, then you just delete, then you press Ctrl D to remove that shimmering. Then again you come here like so, like so, like so. Then you press delete, then it will just Ctrl D to remove the shimmering. Then again there's this place here, like so, like so, like so, like so. Then you press delete, then Ctrl D, then all of them will be. Then you have removed the background. If you want to change the, you come to the, if you want to change the if you are satisfied of everything, you just come here, right click here, then you apply layer mask. Then if you want to change the color of the background, you can always click here, then put another layer, make sure it is below this object. Then you can just come here, right click here, then press rectangle, then you can choose the color you want, maybe yellow. Then you just draw a rectangle, you just click here, draw a rectangle over the object. Then you have changed the color of the object just like that. Awesome. So if you want to change more, maybe you can, if you want to come to the switches, green, you can change to any color, even black, even purple, even red. So guys, that's how to use the lasso tools. Give me a thumbs up if you find value in my video. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also share, like. Have a nice day, have a nice time. Watch my next video.